Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you this makeup look that I feel I've perfected for myself. I love it when I don't want to think too much about how to do my makeup. I always go back to this. For the under eyes, I like this. And then for my nose, I am going to apply the green one like that. I'm going to let it dry out. When I am inflamed, the darkness will also show up around here. And we are done. I'm kidding. If you notice your makeup is not looking good and you're trying different foundations, you cannot bake or nothing, because then you look like really old. If you know, you know. Then I want you to try a makeup mist, something hydrating. It doesn't necessarily have to be this Pixi by Petra. Another one that I really like is the RareBeauty makeup mist, but I fully ran out, so we are going in with this one. The goal is just to keep hydrating the skin. Now, my favorite combination for foundation are these two together, the TooFaced Born This Way Soft Matte and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This one is beautiful, like a light everyday makeup, but today I want to do something a little more date night. This is like a perfect everyday foundation. It just costs you an arm and a leg. Also, this one's like a little darker. But that's alright. Mixing it together. That's actually why I first mixed it together, because it was not fitting my skin tone at that time. I also think it's time to apply more glycolic acid on my forehead. I am noticing texture. And every time I notice a lot of texture, I have to go in with that chemical. I want to say thank you to everyone who did see my first video and commented and sent me a message. I greatly appreciated it. Love this concealer, but it is not my color. I need about 2 shades lighter, maybe 1. Okay, but it is so good. Maybe you guys are gonna say it is your color, Lupe. Has anybody gotten the copper IUD? And if so, please let me know your experience, because I got the copper IUD and oh my gosh, that copper IUD sent me to the hospital. That's how bad my body responded to it. I was like, this is not normal. What I'm feeling, I got these like contractions, like these really odd contractions, and I actually found a Reddit over it, which gave me so much clarity. Okay, you guys are gonna see this here. It's like, I don't know where else to put it. Now that we're done with the foundation, we are going to apply mist again. I'm telling you, the goal is to keep hydrating the skin. You have to wait till it's fully dry or you will F up the makeup. You'll notice the makeup looks like skin. My favorite contour shade I've ever found. At first you think it's like really dark, but it works perfectly well. I just do like a little bit. And up here, down, and the nose. If you want to like elongate your eyes, we can do this as well. We're just gonna tap it and take it a little up like that, sweep it up. For the nose, what we're gonna do kind of just turn so I can bring it downward. So I'm just gonna take it up myself. This is the brightest concealer that I have. I'll just grab like a little tip and we're gonna put it right there, right here, right here. It'll just brighten up that face. Now, for the eyes, I want you to find a bronzer whichever one you have laying around. You don't have to get this one. This one's the Gucci one. When I wasn't getting as much makeup, I got very, very specific with the products that I wanted. I would go around Sephora and really think about what I wanted, and these two were on the top of my list. Blending in around the nose, around the eyelid. Just adding some depth into the eye, and I am taking it out. It could be doesn't have to be like super clean, it's just like a little messy like that. It's so crazy how much my makeup has changed over the years. I've had to really find something that really like makes me feel confident, and I still wanted like a full glam of makeup. I just could not apply it the same way. I'm like, at first I was like, what the heck is going on? And that kind of like led me to not apply too much makeup, and I was like neglecting my makeup. I was just like, whatever, like everyday makeup look. But that's just not who I am. I would just still stick around and watch makeup tutorials and wanna do it again and try again. And I finally found what works for me. This nose is always being worked through. For the eyelid, I'm going to grab this right here, and I'm just gonna like clean it up. This is the One Size powder. Oh my gosh, I forgot to blend all of this. I'm good. Now with the Gucci highlighter, we're gonna tap it. Just right in the middle and then on top of the eyebrow bone. One is actually an eyebrow, but it's perfect for the corners, like right here, look. We're gonna grab this eyeliner, the Cloud Wine eyeliner, and we are going to apply that inward, like right here. Let me see. The goal is to bring the eyes inward. Look that way. Favorite palette. This is the Pretty Grudge from HudaBeauty. We're gonna grab this one right here. It's like a dark brown purple. Just kind of filling it, connecting the middle to the eyeliner, like that. And with that purple, we're gonna go like in there. I have figured out how to work with mascara. It's not just applying it, there is a method. Maybe someone out there have said this before. Apply it first. We'll apply it. We're going to keep tapping it. Just keep tapping it, going left, going right. I'm literally just tapping it. Helps better if you look down. It's almost like I'm building and you're gonna take it outward. Keep doing it. I personally like when my lashes look like little fairies. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer underneath the eye. For bottom lashes, I use this one right here. It's pretty dry right now. I like it when it's a bit dry because it's not very heavy. I want pretty light under eyes, so just, I wanna like sweep them that way. That's it. I like these two together. This one is Believe and Love. I'm just dapping it. Let me show you guys. Look at that. With this powder, the One Size powder, we're gonna grab this brush from RareBeauty and I'm gonna start dapping it in there like that. We are gonna set the nose on the side, so this is just The first, I'm not gonna set the under eye because I simply cannot. I have not figured out. With the baking powder from Huda Beauty, this little brush right here, and tap on the side of the nose only. It's just to make the nose smaller. That's it. I'm not putting it anywhere. We are going to add a little bit of this blush, kind of as some coverage. We're like this time just taking it up. Just a tap. I'm not gonna apply too much of highlighter. I'm going to apply this Easy Bake setting spray. I do this so it can like look like skin. Still my favorite sour from Maccosmetics. Applying Saint Laurent's lipstick. This one's very creamy, very glossy. If you do not like glossy, if you're not into glossy, you're not going to be into this. This is gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this everyday look that I've been doing. I feel like I've mastered it. If you guys have any other tips, you are always welcome to comment.